Did you know that Fairfax County Fire and Rescue has a program to provide visual smoke detector equipment? They do. That program is for deaf, hard of hearing, or deaf-blind people who live in Fairfax County, own their own home, and don't have visual smoke detector equipment. There's an application form that you can send in to apply. How? Contact NVRC for a copy of the form. You fill out the top part, and NVRC fills out the bottom part. Then we send it to Fairfax County Fire and Rescue. When it's approved, Fairfax County Fire and Rescue will contact you directly to set up the appointment and time to bring the equipment to your home and install it for you. If you have any questions or need more information, contact NVRC.